This video will help you pair the RFGB-40 wireless controller with the RFSAI-61B-SL. First, remove the battery from the device. Press any buttons to completely discharge the device. Insert the battery. Press button 1 and wait until the red LED turns off. Then press the PROG button. The indicator light will start blinking. Select a button on the remote and assign it a function. End programming by briefly pressing the PROG button. Remove the battery from the device. And press any buttons to completely discharge the device. Insert the battery. The red indicator will light up and then start blinking. After the blinking of the indicator, you can control the paired devices.